Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you a simple way how you can block specific websites on your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us dive into this. So guys, doing this is actually super simple. We're going to use an extension sourced from the Chrome Web Store to do this. So all you need to do is launch the Google Chrome web browser and click on that icon here at the top and select Manage Extensions from that drop-down menu. After that, here in your Manage Extension section, simply click on Chrome Web Store here to the left. That is going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, in the next step, simply use the search bar here at the top and type in, for instance, block site or block sites, press enter, and pick a block site extension or application from that list below. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use and install that one here, because it has received a pretty decent customer and user satisfaction score of 4.5 stars. So click on it, click on Add to Chrome here, give Chrome the permission to add the extension to your browser, just like that. After that, wait for the installation to be finished. And after a moment, that extension, block site extension, will be added to your extensions here at the top. Now, what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, add the first website to your list of blocked websites. To do that, here on your home screen on block site, simply click on Add to Block List here. So to add the first item, after that, switch from all to websites here and use the search bar at the top to find the website you would like to block. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to block facebook.com, for instance, or you may use one of the suggestions here below by clicking on the plus icon, and after that the given website will be added to the list of blocked websites, and that's basically it. Note, however, guys, that some of these block site extensions can be used for free only for a specific amount of time, and after that they will ask you to upgrade your free membership to a premium one. So which extension you use for that method from the Google Chrome Web Store is totally up to you guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.